Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to hide the silent mode status bar icon on iPhone 15 Pro. It's actually a very simple tutorial, so make sure you give me a like and hit the subscribe button if you are new. All you need to do is go over to your settings, go to settings and haptics, and if you have the iPhone 15, I do not, I have the iPhone 14. My iPhone 15 has not arrived yet. You have a few options. You have the silent mode off and showing status bar. It should be right above the ringtone and alerts. So you want to turn off the showing status bar and you won't see it here. That's all you have to do. Basically, you have it in your status bar normally at the top because you don't really have the silent switch at the top left corner of your iPhone. If you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try to help you out. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, and if I did help you out, give me a like. See you next one.